Hey, 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 guys. How's everybody doing? Are you doing good? You better be doing good. Okay, we have an announcement video, guys. Exciting times. We are going to open up channel membership. Yay! Editor, add some applause, please. Oh, thank you. So yeah, this is just an announcement video to explain a couple things about the membership option. So we've had a lot of people asking about either downloading the files or even purchasing these files from the prints on this channel. So somebody even recommended that I could open up membership, and I think it's a perfect idea because, you know, someone said they'd offer a few dollars just for one of the models, like the Caterpillar model. And you know what? You can pay a couple bucks and get all the models, okay? So let me explain. There's just going to be two tiers. There's a $2.99 tier, so it's $2.99, and to become a member, and you can download all the files. I'll list, you know, all the important files. I'll list, you know, some really obscure ones, like a soap dish or something. I might not have listed, but if you want me to list it, I can. But you'll be able to click a link in the membership tab, and it will take you to a Google Drive folder, and you can just download the STLs right from there and print them. Okay, but that $2.99 tier, the silver tier, it will be for personal use only. So, you know, if you're printing them for yourself or family members or as gifts, then that's perfectly fine. That's your tier. $2.99. And then if you decide to stay on, it's like a monthly thing, and then you know, I do videos every 2 or 3 days, so you'd be getting at least 10, maybe even 15 new models every month. So it'd be really cool. You could print them out, check them out, or just tinker with them, change them, do whatever you want. And then for the people that want to have commercial access to these models, there is a second tier, the gold tier. So it's $4.99, also very cheap, because you could actually print these out and sell them, and it won't bother me in the slightest. You have full access commercially. Just give Tinkercad World attribution. So what I mean by that is basically credit for the model design. So like if you have it listed, you know, whatever, eBay, Etsy, Facebook, if you're trying to you know, you could just put a link at the bottom, say, you know, design created by Tinkercad World, and a link. So, you know, we can pat each other's back, and you can try to send people here, and hopefully you can make thousands of dollars selling caterpillars. So that's the two tiers. Otherwise, the perks will be exactly the same. So, you know, you don't have to worry about it. If you're just printing for your own uses, then it's just $2.99. And there's already, I probably already added like 50 to the list. I didn't even count them because it was too many. Yeah, and having these memberships is going to allow us to do more and more things on this channel. So by you guys helping support my channel, I can get things like filament, different kinds of filament that I've never even tried. Eventually, someday, we're going to need a bigger printer. I would love to have a resin printer someday. You know, just like them knives we made, the Blades of Chaos. I couldn't even print them because my printer bed's so small on my printers, it wouldn't have worked. So it's just going to be a way that you could support the channel, and we can do more and more cool projects because of it. And if you wonder how to actually join, if you've never done that before, you just go to the home page of the channel, whether it's desktop or on your phone, and right to the right side of the subscription button is a button that says join. So you're just trying to find the join button, and when you click it, it'll show you the little tier lists. And once you're all joined up, then you'll have a membership tab, and under that tab you can see the perks. So there's a few different perks that you'll get for being a member, like badges and a few other little things, and we can always add perks as we go. So maybe we'll do giveaways. We could think of some other stuff, I'm sure, along the way. But under that perks tab, you will see the link for that Google Drive file. So it'll just bring you to my Google Drive, and you can download perfectly safe. Nothing weird's attached to them or anything like that. It'll just be STL files, and there's a whole list of them. So here's some that we're looking at in this on this table here. I dug out my bins even from a year ago when we were, first started the channel, probably a year and a half, maybe 2 years ago. I dug out the bin and I laid out a few of the models. And in a second here, I'm going to stop the voiceover and we're going to take a look at a few of the models, and it's going to be a blast. So obviously no pressure to join. All my subscribers mean a lot to me and viewers no matter what. But for the people that are interested in downloading and printing these exact ones, then that's now available. So that's cool. Yeah, it's cool. Let me do a little disclaimer, I guess. So we're just going to call the files kind of as is. So they might not be perfectly polished and ready for mass production for your flea market shop, whatever. So, you might have to fix them up a little. Some stuff will need supports. Some will not. See the dragon that's spinning? Guys, don't print that right away. You have to be an experienced printer with high stress level tolerance to print this. Oh my gosh. I only printed, I had one fail 3/4 of the way through, and it was on a slow printer. So it was a while ago. It was like a 2.5 or 2-day print, 2.5 day. And the first one failed and strung and spaghettied all over. And then I got the second one to print, but it's basically just coated with supports. So it took me hours to break away the supports. I bet the supports weighed just as much as the dragon. The eggs print separate, so certain things I'll lay out separately. So you'll see one file that says dragon eggs goes with dragon. And you'll see another file that says dragon goes with dragon eggs. So you print them separate, and the eggs snap right in. You don't even have to glue them. It sticks right in there because she's like gardener eggs. But anyway, a few things. I tried to just lay stuff out simple, so you could print it right off the bat, but it'll be up to you to resize it, fix it up if you want, tinker it. You can put it in Tinkercad, play with it, change it, ruin it, let it on fire, do whatever you want. So that's the news, guys. Should we let the other me talk? Because we're gonna go and actually take a look at some of these models that are sitting on the table. So let's go have a look at that. Alrighty. Well, yeah, let's take a look at some of this stuff. So I dug out whatever I could find from throughout the many months of the Tinkercad World channel. So this is some of the stuff that we have made, and I have a bin of random stuff there too. Here, before I take you guys off the tripod, I need both my hands for this. Hold on. Did any of you guys watch this video? Here, I gotta move you guys. The top, this video. So where we had the challenge to see how long we could get a top to spin. So, and I made a pull start top. This is the coolest thing. Oops, I forgot how to use it. Okay, you put the pull start in here. Here, let me make sure I can see. Okay, you ready? I have it on like a mirror so it spins good. And you just pull start it. Look at. So see, it's got corrugated little, kind of like little gearing. Hey, weird, it's off to the side. I must have done it crooked. But yeah, there's the pull start top. That was a fun video. So we did all kinds of different tops. Oh, this table must be slanted. We got a top to spin for 7 minutes in that video. Oh, it was so cool. Okay, we'll just let that spin. Now I can take you guys off the tripod here. So let's go over some of the stuff that you guys will be able to download that we've made in the past. So obviously, the very latest build, you guys saw the floppy caterpillars. My new favorite. But I go through new favorites pretty often. Hey, subscribe! Subscribe, you guys. We must have been one of the first videos we showed how to do text. I'm not going to add that to the... Here, this is... Wow, that would have kept spinning. That was still going fast, but it was kind of loud. Some really obscure stuff, obviously, I'm not going to add for the download because you guys don't need a subscribe sign. I taught you how to do that anyway. But look, we got like the giant, beautiful nickel. We're definitely adding that. I already started adding a lot of these to the list that you guys can download. So some of them I hope I can add most all of them. If, like I said, if they're really obscure or stupid, I will pass on them if it's something that's super easy to make. But let's check out some of these. We got, remember the dragon head? This one's painted beautiful. Look, somebody in the chat had me do this, their exact model of truck. Oh, one of the windows fell off, or mirrors. They had me do their exact model of truck that they own in real life, and it took me like 15 hours. It was super hard. There, we got some chain. Oh yeah, we got some of the cool fish. We did them not too long ago. Like this, the articulated fish. They're really cool. We did articulated spiky lizard, the cube frog. We got the centipede with his lots of floppy legs. Cartman lately. Wow, one of the first videos was a mushroom. That's a good beginner video. I probably don't even need to post that. You guys can make a mushroom. That's a beginner video. We got the alien head. We got other cool, let's see this guy. This was a while ago. Weird soldier battle dude. Wow, we have this dagger. We did this Thor hammer not too long ago. Actually very recently. We got the jumping frogs. Ready? Boing. See, stuff like this. Like, this is cool. It's a nice soap dish, but you guys can make this, and that's what I encourage you on the easier stuff. Just make your own, But if you see something in my videos that is not on the list of downloads and you want me to add it, just comment on the newest video. I usually mostly check the comments on the very newest video because it's hard to keep up with it. And I will add it for you, but I will add all the nice stuff and the important stuff. I'll add all this stuff on there. Here, this light's in my way. Oops. Okay, what else do we got? Oh yeah, we got this light up. Hey, does this still light up? Oh, the battery must be dead. We made a light up, oh man, I don't think I can open it either. I made a light up Christmas tree topper. The gnat trap. Oh, I forgot about that. Working flute. I play this in the flute video. Oh yeah. I forgot which top actually spun for 7 minutes, but might have been one of these. We have more frogs and more models. There's all kinds of stuff. So there we go. Ooh, is this a bullet container? Yeah. What's in it? Maybe it's full of more bullets. Oh, there's not my stash. And we have lots more stuff. Some of this stuff is not even on the channel, though, so I don't know. We'd have to dig through it. Any of you guys recognize that? There's all kinds of good stuff, guys. I don't know what. We won't waste too much time. Hey, look at this. It's a very tiny metal detector. Interesting. Okay. All right, guys. Well, thank you so much. And I will welcome all the new and upcoming members that are thinking about it. If you want to do any downloading of the files, and there's 2 tiers like we talked about. So you can either just download for personal use and only $2.99. So it's only pennies per model. Or the $4.99 if you want to try to print and sell some of this stuff. This disclaimer is very hard to print. I only printed one of these. Look at this crazy overhang. Almost the entire thing gets covered with supports. So experts only, don't print that as your first download. And I print the eggs. The eggs are separate. So there'll be 2 files. You'll see them in the list. And then the eggs kind of snap right in there. I don't even think you have to glue them. Yeah, they're just snapped in there. Wow, it's probably that was my 100 subscriber special build. Probably the most complicated build I've ever done on Tinker. I think it's got 15,000 solid shapes. Ooh, beautiful. Okay, there we go. Up, 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 up. All right, guys. We'll see you guys on the next actual build. Bye-bye.